We decided to go down the path looking for a more complex machining cell. I reviewed all of the top manufacturers. The differentiating factor for choosing Makino was the team, the automation team. Historically, C&S Machine produces very niche products, part families servicing aerospace and medical industries. Through a research of machining technologies, we settled in on the Makino DA300, and since then we put together the DA300 and the automation cell.
These machines have allowed us to go out and win work that we couldn't do before in an efficient manner. There were several Makino guys that really came in, helped me get started, understand the basics. I can't tell you how much it's been appreciated that they were able to get me through the things I did. So we run a 10-hour shift, and then we get about 12 hours of unattended labor throughout the night. And then that also, we extend that in. I'll usually come in on a Saturday and just reload and let it go. We used to have to spend a lot of time polishing the parts because the medical parts had to be visually perfect. We did do medical before we did the cell. We weren't as efficient, I would say, as we are now. We were able to reduce our cycle times by about 32% with the new cell, with the new concept of these machines. That's the one thing about the Makinos. They have 3 levels of M codes that allow you to pick and find how precision you want that part to be and how good that finish you want it. You know, if you don't want it good, then you can go a little faster and you can choose different codes. But when you go into fine machining mode, it really is fine. The MMC-R is the most user-friendly system I've ever used, and I've used a lot of systems. The MMC-R is just amazingly powerful. It knows exactly what everything is, where it's at, and to be able to just go in there and manipulate it is so quick and so easy.
I have a thirst for growth. I have a thirst for being extraordinary and the best world-class manufacturer in the world, and it's a tough business.